Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a beautifully designed two-story house covering 4,308 square feet on almost 12,000 square feet of land. 5 bedrooms, 5 bathroom, ensuite, walk-in closets, separate living and dining, kitchen, laundry, double enclosed garage, balcony, ornamental trees, and fully fenced. Tremar Park is an upper middle income residential development, only 5 minutes from Santa Cruz Town Center. This property is being sold by private treaty. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 23 million or US $149,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.